Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mackenzie Mason. It's the first weekend of October, which means it's spooky season, my favorite. So, why is spooky season relevant and why am I making a video about it? Well, I love makeup, super love it. I've gotten better since I was, younger, but I'm still not a pro. So I thought maybe because I sell Mary Kay and I work as a makeup artist, not, obviously I didn't go to school or anything for it, but I'm working as a makeup artist for weddings, for special events, just different things like that, doing people's hair and makeup. I thought, I should kind of make it a little hobby and maybe make some videos, see if I can, help some people learn some new things. But I thought, okay, the makeup industry is so saturated with influencers, with different brands and products, and it's just, there's a lot. Okay, so how do you decide? And what makes me any different or special? Okay, well, first of all, if you want to do makeup, you have to be like a pro, okay? You have to be good. And I mean, I'm okay, but I'm not like, whoa, that's like perfect, So I thought, is there something else that can set me apart or that I could do differently that people would enjoy, that people would like, that, they would want to subscribe and watch my videos? And then I was like, wait a second, what do I like? What do I want to talk about on these videos? What do I want to do differently, And so spooky season, I was like, perfect timing. So I'm actually going to be talking the next 4 weekends about different Halloween themed things. Sorry, little puppy's here and her little jingly bell. Come here, Luca. Oh, she's stuck. Say hi. Good girl. Anyways, spooky season. And so next 4 weekends, I'm going to be talking about different Halloween stuff, sort of where it originated, some of the history, what it's like around the world, what it's like in the US, sort of the popular stuff, the pop culture stuff, just that kind of thing. And I'm going to be showing you different Halloween makeup looks. So I'm not going to tell you what they are yet, but I'm excited. They're going to be good. So today I'm actually just going to do regular makeup and show you how to do just a basic look. Not basic because we're going to do fun eyeshadow and stuff, but not Halloween. And I'm just going to, introduce some of the topics that I'll be talking about and hopefully get you guys excited to see these next videos coming up. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to be using on my face is some moisturizer. It's always good to hydrate. So I'm going to show you the product, but it's hard for you to see it on the screen, so I will list everything in the description box. This one is called Green Apple Brightening Emulsion. It is by Juice Beauty. It actually smells like a green apple too. So I'm only like 60-40 on the green apple scent. So if you don't like it, don't use it. But if you do like the green apple, go for it because it smells great. All right, so this goes all over my face and it's just to moisturize. I struggle with dry skin more than anything. Oh my goodness. This one's called Dream Skin Care and Perfect. It's by Dior. Just a little baby sample. I like little samples. All right, so I'm gonna put that on my face. Once my skin has soaked up the moisture from those lovely lotions, I'm gonna use Beauty Blender the Leveler-Pore Minimizing Primer. Honestly, sometimes I just want to walk around with primer on my face. I know you can't really see from the camera, but it just makes your skin so nice. All right, so next thing I'm gonna do is use a whole group of products from the same company. I don't know if you guys have heard of SHEIN, I don't know how you pronounce it, SHEIN. They have all kinds of different clothes and makeup and beauty and housewares and whatever you can think of under the sun. And I was like, they have makeup. I'm kind of curious, like maybe it's good, maybe it's not. So today we are going to test it out. So their line is called Sheglam. This one's dark brown. So we'll see. It might be a little light on my brows, but we'll see. So that I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. It's kind of boring to sit and watch you fill in your eyebrows. So I'll start on this one and then I will cut the camera off and come back with full eyebrows so you don't have to sit here and watch me. I will just give you a couple tips. I start at the thicker part of my brow and I do gentle, slow strokes. It's easier to take a little bit and build on it by adding more than to put way too much on in the first place and have to try and wipe it off. All right, I'm back. So before you say anything, my eyebrows are uneven. Why? Well, they grow uneven. So if you just follow the natural shape of your eyebrow, sometimes they're uneven. So I'm actually gonna show you how I overfill this eyebrow so it's even with that brow. So I might actually go in again and try and fix that a little bit. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is, since I put primer all over my face, I'm not actually gonna put primer on my eyes. Okay, so the palette that I am gonna use is an Amazon steal. It's called Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me Eyeshadow Tray. Okay, so this bad boy is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe knockoff from Amazon, and it's fabulous. I love it. It's actually quite pigmented too, and it has a good balance of matte and sparkle, which is really nice. Okay, while I search for the correct eyeshadow brush to start with, let's talk about what I came here to talk about, which is Halloween. So, Halloween is the best. But why does everybody like it so much? Good question. Partially because I think we're fascinated by things that we don't understand, that are new and different, that are kind of like taboo. I think for sure that's a big one. And I just think that in general, it's appealing, right? Let's do something different and crazy, okay? I haven't done purple in a long time, so we are gonna do purple. All right, so I have this really deep, almost like maybe grape or plum purple color that I'm gonna get on this angled brush and put in the corner crease of my eyelid. So I like to just get my dark color on first, then work on blending it out and building around it. So I actually take a denser, shorter bristled eyeshadow brush then and pick up a color that is similar to my skin tone. So we're just gonna blend away. All right, I'm gonna blend these into one another, and then I'll come back and show you what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so after I blend in that purple and get my good V going at the corners of my eye, I am going to pick another color to kind of be a bold sort of follow-up color. Red. We're going purple and red. I feel like this was like my dream bedroom colors as a child. Okay, so we're putting red next. Get those two colors together, and I'm just darkening my purple a little bit. Next, I have sort of like a shimmery, it's almost a coral shade, but it goes well with this red because it is in the same color family, just to like tone down a little bit. A little bit of sparkle never hurt anybody. Okay, so the highlight color that I put into my eye corner right here and up along here was a combination of the Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit, and they were the colors Spectra and Luna. Just combine those purple and white colors, put them together. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use more of that Sheglam line. I got a foundation. They only had like 3 colors to choose from, so I have no idea if this is gonna match my skin, but I am going to put that on with this really fun brush that I got from SHEIN. I'm gonna pronounce it as SHEIN or SHEIN. But this brush, super fun foundation brush, I'm gonna put that all over my skin, down my neck a little bit, and then I'll be right back. Took my beauty blender, and this is also from SHEIN. I got 3 in a pack together for like $1, super great. They're really nice and soft. But I spritz it with this amazing hydrating facial prime and setting mist. It's green tea and fresh rose water. It's from GIOVANNI. Super nice. I like it. It's a priming and finishing spray, so you can use it, and I just spritz it on here. You can use water too, but I like that it spritzes because it doesn't get as wet, and I just press it in with the sponge. Okay, so then what I am going to do is use a concealer. I have 2. I don't know why they had 2 different ones. This one literally doesn't have anything on it but the, oh, it does. It says Light Sheglam Creamy Concealer, and this one is Versatile Flawless Concealer. No color. This is the 2 of them, and I haven't done my beauty blender yet, so I will show you that, but just so you can have a bit of an idea, I feel like this one almost like went into my skin nicer. This one seems like it kind of isn't blending as well with the other foundation, but I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just sort of press it into my skin a little bit more. And I also got Sheglam Loose Powder, Perfecting Setting Powder. Okay, so here they are. It's natural, that's the color. Okay, so it came with a little poof, but I actually really love this brush that oh, guys, it came out of the container completely. Holy crap. So I like to be careful on your forehead because I always get powder in my eyebrows and it like messes with the color and it's irritating. Thankfully, powder is not the hardest makeup to clean up, so that's good. Go back in with that same brush and remove excess powder from our baking process. Okay, now that we've baked and we've set our product and everything's good to go, I'm going in with the Sheglam Contouring MOCHA, okay? That's what it's called. It's a contouring stick, so you know, just twist it up. So now I'm gonna go in with my darker beauty blender, spritz some of this on all of the sides, and blend upward because I want my contour to end where I put the line. Next thing we are gonna do is we are gonna take the same colors that we were using earlier out of our eyeshadow palette, and we are gonna do under our eye. Okay, so now that we have that under eye area finished, we're gonna go in with a pencil, or you can use whatever eyeliner you like to put sort of in your waterline. I like to use the Mary Kay black pencil eyeliner. It twists up though, so you don't have to sharpen it, which is super nice, and you actually get a better tip. So then I'm just gonna put that in my waterline under my eye, and I'll be back. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the black Tarteist Tarte eyeliner. It's double-sided. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do a line all the way to the corner, across my lid, and just a slight wing, nothing too crazy. All right, now that we have this lovely wing going on, you gotta kind of let it dry a little bit before we do too much. But then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take my angled contour brush and a contour palette that I got from Sephora forever ago for $6. And I'm gonna take, I don't need anything too crazy. I just like these shades because I kind of have like the red pink undertones in my skin. So if I do something too yellowy brown, it ends up looking like muddy. So I have to kind of do a redder brown for my contour. And so this palette has that and I super love it. Now we're gonna go in with highlight. I actually like to use that same brush I used for loose powder. I'm gonna use another Anastasia palette. This one is called the Sugar. And I kind of like to use a combo. So Starburst is like this pinker color, and I'm almost out of Gumdrop, but I love it. It's like almost golden, but then has these pink undertones. It's so pretty. Use my unicorn, LOL, my unicorn brush for blush. And I have a Becca blush. This color is Flower Child, and it's just like a nice pink shimmery tone. Not too shimmery though. And I right in between the contour and the highlight on the apples of your cheek. The very last thing that we are gonna do before lipstick, which I always do last, is the mascara. I have a couple sample mascaras that I'm gonna sort of mix and match. I have a Milk mascara. This one is called Kush. I have an Anastasia, or I'm so sorry, it's Fenty Beauty. This one is Full Frontal. And then I have the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. So I'm gonna apply those to my top and bottom lashes and I will be back. All right, there we are with mascara. I really like these different mascaras. I feel like they're really pretty. All right, next and last, we are going to do some lipstick. I actually think I wanna do dark lips. So I'm gonna use a Fenty Beauty lipstick. This is also a matte and it is called, oh my goodness, Mademoiselle Griselda. Quite the name. Oh, I love this lip color. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with my setting spray. And there you have the final look. What do we think? Oh, I am loving these eyes. Ooh. Thank you so much for being here with me. I cannot wait to tell you more about my Halloween findings and my different research that I've done and show you some more fun makeup looks. Thanks again, guys. Bye.